Human expertise versus AI automation, finding the right balance. Artificial intelligence is transforming workplace learning. As automation grows, organizations must find the right balance between AI efficiency and human expertise. AI helps teams work faster by creating content, analyzing data, and automating repetitive tasks. It improves efficiency and scalability. Humans provide judgment, creativity, context, and ethical decision-making. These strengths are essential for effective learning experiences. AI-generated content should always be reviewed by experts to ensure accuracy, quality, and compliance with organizational standards. The goal is not to replace people with AI. Instead, AI should support human experts, allowing them to focus on higher-value work. Download the Work Learning AI Report